One of the best ways to get clients from LinkedIn is by publishing LinkedIn articles, and it shocks me how few people use that feature of LinkedIn. LinkedIn articles, I think, are used by only about 3% of active LinkedIn users. That is such a small number, yet LinkedIn articles have the ability to completely transform the way you attract clients through the platform. So we're going to be talking about LinkedIn articles today and how you can rapidly get into publishing articles and start attracting clients into your business from LinkedIn. As an expert, you have a gift that you can share with the world. You have a transformation that you can offer people. You have a solution to the problem that they've been desperately seeking. So many people that have the gift that you have never share it because they don't know how. Share your gift. Help people every step of the way by letting people know that you have the solution that they've been desperately seeking. You are bringing that gift to the world in the most generous of ways. And to get paid for it in return is the foundation that all entrepreneurs seek. I would encourage you every single day to be sharing what you know and finding those people who have been seeking the solution that you can offer. It's so incredibly important, and it's going to make your journey as an entrepreneur even more fulfilling. For those of you who don't know me, it's Prouty, and for the last 21 years, I have had thousands of paying clients learn how to attract clients into their businesses using the methodologies that I teach, but not in a way like you might think. And if you're new to my channel, now would be a genius time to click the subscribe button and turn on that bell for notifications so that you get alerts every time I create new content like this. My clients get paid to have an impact on people's lives. And they come to me to learn a predictable way to generate revenue doing something they love. Because even though they've been able to attract a few clients into their business, they know that there's more. And it's incredibly unfulfilling to have more that you wish to do and not have a way to do it. So we fix that by creating these predictable systems that bring more clients into their business. One of those systems is through content marketing. Content marketing is the process of taking the knowledge that you have, creating content from it, and sharing it in a way that elicits a response from your perfect prospects. LinkedIn articles are a way for you to share that type of content. And I wanted to share some ideas with you today about how you can use LinkedIn articles to grow your business. And by the way, if you are serious about growing your business, I've created a free workshop for you. You can attend at proutyclass.com. I'll put the link right on the screen. And when you go to proutyclass.com, give me your name, your email address. I'm going to send you immediate access to an on-demand workshop that's going to teach you the exact strategy that I use every single day. And I've taught to thousands of people. So proutyclass.com is where you can find that. Prouty is my last name. Class is what you're attending, and .com. Keeps me online. Let's talk about LinkedIn articles and some ideas that I'd like to share with you about using LinkedIn articles as a mechanism for driving clients into your business. And the very first thing that I want to share with you is that LinkedIn articles are different from posts. LinkedIn articles allow you to go in depth with the content that you have. You can think of these things as long form content, blog posts, but these are articles that live inside of the LinkedIn ecosystem. Tremendous benefits from having articles inside of LinkedIn, from SEO, from search, to the ability to broadcast these articles out as newsletters. So many benefits, but we've got to be able to go in depth in these articles. People are not looking for short snapshot updates in LinkedIn articles. Instead, they're looking for the details. They want to learn. So the very first idea that I want to share with you is when you're creating LinkedIn articles, make sure that you're going in depth into the content. Don't hesitate to write 2,000 words or 3,000 words in these things if you have the ability to do so. And as an expert, I would expect that you have the ability to write 2,000 words about your area of expertise. Number two, I want you to consider going very slowly as you are creating your LinkedIn articles, because people are looking for a higher level of quality. So we don't want to go haphazardly into LinkedIn articles and just start posting things that we haven't really thought out. So take your time as you're creating this LinkedIn content. Take your time as you're writing these articles. Do the research. Organize the articles in a really clear structure and make sure that you just take your time, because the quality that you're going to be putting into these things is going to pay dividends for years and years and years, because these articles, again, live inside the LinkedIn ecosystem. Okay, and that's incredibly important. I'm going to refer to my notes really quickly because I have a third that I just added to my notes right before I started. And it would be that when you're creating these articles, and actually it's two different ideas, I have two different ideas that I want to kind of put together into one big idea for you that's going to help you as you're creating these LinkedIn articles. And the first is to make sure that the content that you're creating is incredibly educational. There's a very interesting data point that 70% of consumers who are seeking a solution are looking to be educated before they make that buying decision. So your ability to educate your audience is going to be one of the most important things that you can do. So create insightful, uniquely educational content for these LinkedIn articles. That's good search engine optimization advice for any platform that you're publishing on. Unique, educational, entertaining, all of those kind of things are going to help you show up when people are searching. And people are searching, they are looking for these answers and they want to be educated. So educate them. You know, I was looking at some data points recently about LinkedIn articles, and I mentioned earlier that only 3% of active users on LinkedIn are using LinkedIn articles. So one of the greatest advantages that you have in using LinkedIn articles is that you are at the forefront of a technology that very few people are using but has incredible amounts of potential for you. So join the crowd, the small crowd, the 3% crowd that are using these articles to help generate your business. You're going to stand out above everyone else when you do that. If I had to give you one tip, it's going to be about the type of article that I want you to write. But before I forget, if you want to learn even more strategy than I can share with you in a short video like this, please go to proutyclass.com and attend my free workshop, please, because I made that workshop just for people like you to teach you the strategy that I use every single day that has helped me wildly grow my business, and I've taught to thousands of people. So proutyclass.com is where you can get that free on-demand class. So the one strategy that I think will help you the most is going to be the type of article that you should be writing. The search for the phrase "how to" is among the most popular searches on any platform. People are seeking answers, and they're seeking answers by typing in the words "how to." So if you can create articles that explain how to do something, kind of like this video here, which is teaching you how to use LinkedIn articles to get clients from LinkedIn. If you can create articles that answer the question "how to," it's going to have a tremendous impact on your visibility, your reach, your authority, your expertise, your trustworthiness, everything. So focus on creating how-to articles following all of the other ideas that I've shared with you today. Certainly hope you took notes. If you didn't, rewind this video, watch it again, take notes, and take action. And while everything that I've just taught you is incredibly important, it might not be the only thing that you need, which is why I'm going to put a link to another video right here for you to watch right now that will help you attract even more clients into your business. And if you click on my face, you can subscribe to my channel and get alerts every time I create content like this.